one of the best air impact wrenches that you can buy if you're working on heavy-duty equipment. This tool is particularly used for heavy-duty equipment where you're removing tires and putting them back on, and its specs show that. So if you're looking for something that's going to rock for taking off tires and put them back on and give you some adjustability, this one's got it. It's got a very comfortable D-handle, easy to assemble. Everything's right here, and the trigger has been improved, so it's a feather trigger. You don't have to really pull on it hard.